Hello everyone on YouTube. Thank you so much for joining the Stock Martin channel. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, hit all so you can get all my videos. I have a great video for you today, and we're going to talk about the CCIV Lucid stock and some big news coming out from its CEO, Peter Rawlinson, for Lucid Motors. Lucid Motors is right now a big traded stock, and it looks like there's a lot of investors that are having a lot of questions and they're having a lot of concerns about the valuation of Lucid Motors. And CEO Peter Rawlinson is going to answer some of these questions in an interview that he just did. And I did want to talk about some articles that will evaluate this to see if this stock is good to buy now and is good to buy in the future. I think you're really going to like this video, and let's check it out. So this article is from Seeking Alpha, and it talks about the CEO Lucid, Peter Rawlinson, and he is targeting the same evaluation as Tesla. And he says that EVs are getting more recognized as future of auto industry. And in the recent interview that he had, Peter Rawlinson said that the startup electric company Lucid believes that there should be a growing recognition of EVs that represent the future of the auto industry, and that he believes that his company, Lucid, should be counted in the same ranks as Elon Musk's Tesla. In this interview, he mentioned that he was arguing that the main selling point of his company would be the value of technology. He says that it's not just an automaker, it's a technology company just like Tesla is. And he confirmed that Lucid Motors have a big technology in the future for future electric cars, and being it's a luxury premium vehicles that no other competitor can touch. He also confirmed that Lucid was very on schedule with its production of its vehicles, and this year in September he will be first launching out the Lucid Air Dream Edition, which will be its premium vehicle at $169,000. It's already reservations are already sold, and it will be produced this year and delivered to its customers in the next few weeks. In addition, Peter Rawlinson commented that Tesla's position in the market was growing, and he said that Elon Musk's company received a premium valuation from Wall Street because it was predominant in the market. And Peter Rawlinson quickly added that he believes Lucid will soon join the ranks of Tesla by being that big company that everybody will want, that EV vehicle maker that everybody will want. And this can be seen by its huge demand. Lucid's demand of its vehicles have been enormous, as so far 10,000 reservations have been made in this vehicle alone. So the CEO of Lucid Motors, Peter Rawlinson, did say that the electric vehicle market as a whole will be increasing in the next few decades. And its vehicle market of being the premium vehicle will definitely have that niche and will be very popular, which can be seen with all the reservations that have been made on its vehicle. Peter Rawlinson goes on to say that I think there's a recognition and a widespread acknowledgement of the EVs in the future, and the pendulum will be swinging that way, which Lucid will get a big market share, which will help its stock grow in the future. He said that there's no such thing really as a market for electric vehicles as there is a market right now, which will be increasing in the future. Going back to talking about the valuation of a company and investor concerns, I found this article back in Bloomberg that was discussed on May 28th of this year. And the reason why I wanted to bring this up is that the electric truck maker Rivian, it will be seeking a valuation of $70 billion, which is more than half of what CCIV or Lucid's valuation is now. And this could be very big because if Rivian does get its IPO coming out, this will make CCIV Lucid Motors look really cheap, because its stock will be half as much worth as Rivian's. So just going to this article real quick, is that Rivian automaker, the electric truck startup company, which is backed by Amazon, is looking to get a valuation of $70 billion when it goes public. And Rivian is working with its advisors, including Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan Chase, and Morgan Stanley. And these are trying to get a $70 billion valuation when it goes public. If this happens, again, the CCIV Lucid stock will appear very cheap. Right now, we're trading at about $24, $25. With Rivian's evaluation, comparing it to CCIV Lucid, its stock should be trading around $50 a share, which is a great upside for CCIV and Lucid Motors from here on out. As you can see, the CCI stock right now is trading at $24.23. In the past month, it is up 25%. It has tested a resistance of $27 back at the beginning of June. And in the past 5 days, we are up a healthy 3.8%. And as you can see, since Peter Rawlinson's interview with CNBC just earlier this week, we have seen a very nice increase in the stock of CCIV, which was trading at $22.50 and is having a very nice healthy increase. And if we see in the past 2-3 days, its stock has been up about 6.5% and continues to go up since then. I think CCIV Lucid will have a really great chance of moving up from here on out. According to Wallet Investor, CCIV stock shares will have a projected $44 forecast price target and a 5-year forecast price target of $125. Now, I believe this will be a lot higher just because once CCIV merges with Lucid and it has its new ticker LCID and all the productions start happening, I think the stock will go up quite a bit more. And looking at our Rivian IPO, if it does have a valuation of $70 billion, this will be another catalyst for CCIV stock to go quite higher. Well, thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you appreciated it. Please give me that thumbs up so this video can be shared with others. Also, if you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, hit all so you can get all my videos. Thank you also so much for supporting this channel. We're getting closer to that 500 subscriber list, and I greatly appreciate it. Please continue to share this video with your friends, your coworkers, your family, and your next door neighbor. Thank you so much for all your support. If you would like to help out the channel, down below I created 2 links. One will take you to Webull. If you deposit $100 into Webull, it'll give you 2 free stocks valued up to $1,850. The other one will be to Coinbase. If you deposit $100, it'll give you $10 in cryptocurrency for trading. Thank you so much for all your support.